that?
Oh, happy birthday! It's your first present on your first birthday.
Okay, let's open
And
these.
Granny's here.
Yes.
And Grandpa's here. And Bro. And Mommy.
What are we gonna do first?
And Daddy.
Okay, let's do this. So let's open it up.
Sure. Rip a little bit and see if she can tear the rest. Just chew it.
Let's
Sophia.
Bite it and chew it
Watch
and
this,
eat
Sophia.
it.
Watch this. Can you rip it? Pull it. Pull it, Sophia. Get it. Get it, Sophia. Open it. Keep pulling it for her a little bit, maybe. Okay.
All right, where's the next one? What is that? What's that? Yeah, let's open up that one. Oh, she's opening up this one. She's moving on to the next one. Doesn't really open them up. She just keeps on moving. Oh, it's an orange box! Just what I wanted! And tissue paper!
Yay!
Oh, I wanted
Can we open this up?
Yay!
I want to open this up.
smile. Look at that
In
smile.
there.
I want to open this up.
Okay, you can help her open that one.
Yes.
Thank you.
Sophia, pull. Pull.
Oh no, not Grandpa. He'll wipe off
Sophia.
your face.
Don't know what.
That one? Help her get that one out.
Oh,
Okay,
there!
now this one.
Look at that.
I went to Amazon and I typed in
Can I
princess.
Yeah, you can
And
open
princess dolls from Disney. Yay!
Look at Sophia. What's Logan got?
it. Keep going. Keep
Pull,
going.
Sophia, pull.
I think it's wrapped around quite a bit. So just keep on going.
Yeah.
That's a neat little bag. Oh, man. There's nothing in the boxes. Is there?
There is.
Oh,
Yeah.
there are little things that she could.
Swallow? One is, yes.
Okay, we'll keep an eye on that. That's a tricky one.
Okay, Logan.
What?
That makes it easy. There you go. Like that. There you go.
What is it, Logan?
Toothbrush.
Sophia!
Princess toothbrush?
She gets her own.
It has a timer?
toothbrush.
It's her own toothbrush because she
Battery
always
operated.
takes everybody else's.
What she
Is it
Yeah.
electric? Mom, is it electric?
No,
It's fun.
just the battery
Here.
one.
Sophia. Birdies. There you go. Birdies.
Okay, should we open this one?
one? Birdies.
Sophia.
Yay. Oh, it's a birthday card. What does it say? Logan, can you read her the birthday card?
Oh, that's a good idea.
Yeah.
What does it say?
We love you. 1 year old. Wishing you a birthday that's all about fun, sweet surprises, and dreams coming true. Most of all, make this special day all about you. Happy birthday with love from Granny and Grandpa.
Wow, good reading.
Okay, which one was
Thank
it?
you.
That?
It goes with.
It goes
Logan,
with,
you
no,
can
it goes
use
with
the
Oh,
official
this one.
card.
It goes with this.
So you put these.
Put these two together. Yeah.
Oh my goodness. More tissue paper, just what I wanted.
This goes with that?
This is the card from Granny and Grandpa.
Yeah.
And this was what they
clothes.
Yeah.
Who wants clothes?
Oh,
Yeah, who likes-
yeah.
Does she fit in those?
She should.
I like clothes.
Tell you what, let's give them to Mommy.
She's
Very cute. Thank you.
99 percentile in weight.
Sophia can get into these.
Okay, now
No,
this one.
91 in
91%.
weight, 97 in
Can I do
height.
this
So,
one?
Yeah, I think
she's
that's.
projected to be 5'9".
Oh, then she already.
Yeah, that's
Sophia,
what I
this
was
one.
saying.
This one had a card. Is that the card?
I
for
said we
this
better
one?
treat these kids nicely right now.
Do you want to pass me these clothes to this one?
Oh, that's cool.
Thank
Yeah, that's cool.
Pretty. She's not getting this right now.
Oh, did you? Oh, you.
I'm looking at them, yeah. I know you know what they are. And that's from Uncle Lee and Aunt Jessica.
This.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, very nice. Thank
It's already
you.
somewhere.
I'm just gonna help her.
Aw.
This is actually pretty hard. Sophia,
Oh, very nice.
That's from Logan.
Yeah.
This?
Sophia. No. The little sister charm.
Part one
Yeah.
is
So
done.
on her